Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Ateraverse 2025 Roadmap session. I'm Tal Dagan, Chief Product Officer at Atera, and I'm thrilled to guide you through what's ahead. Joining me today are Yarden, our AI Copilot product manager, and Chen, one of our brilliant product designers. We're here to give you an inside look at the innovations we're building to make your IT operations faster, smarter, and more connected. From powerful new search capabilities and enhanced asset management to richer integrations, new layers under customer and site entities, and of course, major upgrades to our AI Copilot. You'll see how everything is coming together to simplify your workflows and boost productivity. So let's lift the hood and show you what's under development. I'd like to start with search. Search is key to your day-to-day operations. Chen and her team are working hard to streamline and enhance search capabilities. Chen, what can you tell us about the new search?
Thank you, Tal, and hello everyone. I'm Chen, a product designer here at Atera. I'm going to talk about a feature we all need and use on a daily basis, the global search. At Atera, we believe search shouldn't just help you find, it should help you do. We're reimagining search as an action center built to support how technicians actually work. And today, we'll see our plan for the future of searching in Atera and a sneak peek of the part that's coming very soon. Let me show you what we're talking about. We're imagining a brand new immersive search box, always available right from the top bar. You don't have to switch context, open menus, or break focus. Just click in or hit Command K, and even before you type, you'll see your recent searches, tickets, devices, and more. We're saving you time by remembering your activity. Okay, now, you know that moment when a user calls in with an issue? So, John Mason calls. There's already a ticket about that issue. I don't know the ticket number or the device, but I know John. So I start typing John Mason, and instantly, search gives all the best matches. I can click here to go to the results page, where I can see all the full results. We'll see it in a few minutes. But now, everything I need is right here. When I hover over a result or move with my keyboard, a preview panel opens instantly. I can see important details about each result. Find John's details as a contact, his linked devices, open tickets, and more. I want to preview his ticket with the issue software crash on a PC. I see the details, and right from the preview, I can take action. I can actually assign it to myself and start working on it without even needing to open that ticket. I don't have to open tabs or lose my context. It's all right here inside search. I can work fast and be effective. So now, let's get working on that ticket. I can stay in the search and just move down to John-related device. I can see his device status, info, and key metrics, accurate and up to date. And the best of all, the device is online, so I can click remote access right from here. So let's say I jumped into his device, investigated the issue, and fixed it. Once I'm done, I can hit Command K, and I'm back in the search, exactly where I left off. I move back to the ticket preview panel. I can now update the ticket status from open to resolved, and move on with my day. No extra clicks, no chasing down details, or switching between too many pages. It's all in one place. So this is our reimagined search. Search that works like you do. It's not just for finding, it's for solving. We're embedding actions into search, so you stay in flow, save time, and work faster. Okay, now remember I mentioned the search results page? This is the first part of the new search that you'll see live very soon. So I'll search for John again, and I get everything related to this name. Devices, related tickets, customers, and multiple users named John, all grouped under the All tab. At a glance, I see maximum 4 results per entity, so I can quickly browse and find what I need. Want to dive deeper into all tickets or devices? We can click Show All, or switch tabs to view all the results of a specific entity. Here, in the Devices tab, I can view all the devices related to my search, filled in with all the important information I need, where you can also take action on a device. And we're planning to soon add more actions to other result types, plus even more entities and custom fields later on. Oh, and the data. It is the same as what you'd see on the main pages from the sidebar. It's accurate, complete, and reliable. And the best part, we're just getting started. So stay tuned, there's a lot more coming as we continue building the smartest, fastest, most action-driven search for IT pros like you. Back to you, Tal.
Thanks, Chen. The new search looks amazing. It saves you lots of time, and if it saves time, it's on the roadmap. Moving to the next dish in our roadmap kitchen, and this time we're cooking up something that makes asset management actually fun. Asset management just got a whole lot smarter. The new inventory page now gives you a unified view across all your assets, agents, customers, and sites. Think of it like finally labeling every cable in your mystery drawer, except here everything stays synced. You instantly see what's online, who's using it, warranty status, and more, all in one place. It's your new single source of truth for asset tracking, with less manual work and better data consistency. And this is just the beginning. Soon, when Network Discovery detects a new device, Atera will auto-create a matching asset and link it to the installed agent. Hands off, brains on. Need to see how your asset types are distributed? We've got you. Group your inventory by asset type, workstations, servers, or switches, so you always know what's in stock and what's aging out. Now let's do some filtering. Planning for Q3? Just search for assets with warranties expiring in the next 3 months. Boom, instant actionable list. That's less guessing, more proactive planning. You will see, for example, 2 in-use assets with warranties about to expire. That's your green light to get ahead of renewals or replacements. Let's click into one of the assets. This is a workstation already linked to an Atera agent. And here's what's new. We now support serial number syncing. So when the serials match, the assets and agent link automatically. Name, contact, folder, site, they're all synced bidirectionally. No duplicates, no manual entries. On the right, you'll always see which agent is tracking which asset. Crystal clear. For Dell devices, we now automatically pull warranty data based on serial number. No browser tabs, no vendor portals, no friction. And we're adding HP, Lenovo, and Toshiba soon. Now let's discuss automatic assignment of an asset to an asset type. Windows and Mac agents automatically create workstation assets. Linux and Windows Server agents automatically create server assets, unless a matching asset already has a type. Then it links up. What does it mean? Virtually no duplicates and more consistency. So, to sum it up, it's a major step toward frictionless IT, where your data is connected, clean, and always one step ahead. And if it saves time, you already know it's on our roadmap. When shaping our roadmap, we ran into a familiar IT pain point: taming the chaos. Because let's be honest, IT environments can grow messier than the cable drawer nobody wants to open. Time to bring order to the madness. Until now, Atera accounts were neatly organized by customers or sites. Each one had its own dedicated world. Devices, assets, tickets, alerts, all tucked into their customer or site bubble. Simple, reliable, but not always scalable. So here's what's new. We're adding branches under each customer or site. Think of branches as your way to zoom in. Departments, floors, offices, or however your real-world structure looks, it's your new layer of granularity. You can now assign assets, tickets, contacts, and even passwords and attachments to specific branches. You can further add branch metadata like address, phone number, postal code. It all lives where it should. Want to attach a floor plan PDF or a walkthrough video for a specific office? Just do it. And yes, automations are getting an upgrade too. You can run scripts, apply rules, and generate reports per branch. Smarter targeting, less noise. But what about folders? You've been using them under each customer or site, but they've got limits. They're static, manual, and they're confined to a single customer or site. So we're introducing dynamic groups. These are flexible, automated, and powered by rules, not manual work. And they work across customers and sites. Devices can belong to multiple groups at once based on whatever criteria you choose. For example, Windows 11 eligible devices. Just set the condition and Atera will do the rest. As soon as a device matches the rules, it joins the group. You can assign scripts, automations, or workflows to an entire group in one click. No need to think about where the devices live. They organize themselves. And when the device no longer qualifies for the group, poof, it's out. Dynamic groups make sure your automation stays sharp, your targeting stays relevant, and your teams don't waste time on busy work. To summarize, if you manage a growing IT environment, these two features are game changers. Branches give you clarity at the ground level. Dynamic groups give you control at scale. It's structured when you need it, flexible when you don't. And if it saves time, you know it. It's on the roadmap. Now let's talk about tickets. Let's face it, managing IT tickets can feel a lot like herding cats, except these cats are angry and have SLAs. So we asked ourselves, what if your ticketing system wasn't just a log, but an actual assistant? What if it actually reduced your time spent inside it? Well, that's exactly where we're headed. Let's break down what's new. First off, say hello to a new compact view. You'll now see more tickets on screen without feeling overwhelmed. It's cleaner, denser, and gives you faster access to context. We're also introducing native search, so no more scrolling or digging, just type and find. Right next to that, you'll notice quick access to filters. In this case, it's per technician group. And yes, they're sticky, so your filters stay put even when you bounce around. But here's the part I know many of you have been asking for. Personalized views are here. Just like on the devices page, you'll be able to pick and choose which columns you want to see, including custom fields. So your ticket view finally fits you. We've also streamlined access to your saved views, your team's shared views, and our default out-of-the-box ones. So whether you're an individual technician or managing a global team, it's all one click away. Oh, and of course, the Views panel is collapsible because we know every pixel of workspace counts. Now let's talk about the quick view experience, designed for when you're working fast and don't want to bounce between pages. Here's how it's structured. A ticket browser panel to scan your tickets, the main ticket area, and the assist panel, your new best friend. Let's open one up and see how it works. You can select any ticket from the list and dive straight in. Everything's actionable. SLA info, ticket properties, all editable, by the way, and even the associated device. What's even cooler? You can run device operations right from inside the ticket. That's right, no jumping around. The Assist panel is tabbed for easy access to device info, related assets, or any custom integration you've connected. Let's look at another example. This one's a request to install software. The first thing you'll notice is the blue activity bubble, a visual cue that something's changed in the ticket. In this case, an approval has come through. And that's because we're now adding approval flows to ticketing. You can see approval details in the main view and a dedicated tab for a full audit trail, because transparency matters. Next up, notice the small child tag on this ticket. Yes, related tickets, also known as parent-child tickets, are going live. Here, the software install request is a child of a larger new employee onboarding ticket. It's grouped with other sibling tickets, each owned by a different teammate. Even better, you can now break down each child ticket into tasks accessible in a neat tab. This brings even more granularity to your work and helps delegate and track at the micro level. So to recap, here's what's rolling out. A streamlined compact view, blazing fast search and filtering, personalized and saved views for better focus, a powerful new quick view experience, full approval flows, related tickets with parent-child relationships, and granular task management inside tickets. All of this is wrapped in a modern, intuitive interface that's as easy to use as it is powerful. No onboarding needed, just open and go. Now, let's talk about integrations. Because if your tools can talk to each other, you're the one stuck translating. As many of you know, we've already built powerful connectors on Zapier, covering both REST API calls and webhooks. This gave you the flexibility to create custom integrations in a no-code environment. Drag, drop, configure, done. And it's been a hit. Our customers are automating all kinds of flows with these recipes. But we're not stopping there. We're now embedding a native, no-code workflow engine directly into Atera. This means you get access to all Atera-provided connectors, full observability right inside your workspace, and native out-of-the-box integration recipes ready to run. All designed to streamline your experience without needing to bounce between tools. You can use it to connect to external ticketing systems like ServiceNow or Hello PSA, trigger internal alerts, sync data, or run custom workflows in response to any IT event. It's flexible, powerful, and fully within your control. Want to hear some more happy news? We've started working on integrations with both CrowdStrike and SentinelOne. They'll be available in the Atera App Center with attractive monthly and annual pricing, full pay-as-you-go flexibility, and a setup experience that doesn't make you want to throw your keyboard. The future of IT is about connecting better, and this is our next step in making your IT universe more unified, more visible, and more powerful. No code required. And as always, if it saves time, it's on the roadmap. I'm now thrilled to pass the stage to Yarden, our brilliant product manager, driving the AI Copilot vision. Yarden, can't wait to see what you've got lined up for us.
Thank you, Tal, and hi, everyone. I'm Yarden. I'm the product manager of the Atera Copilot team. I'm super excited to show you what's coming next for the AI, and trust me, there's a lot to be excited about. Let's start with one of the most powerful things that we're working on. Soon, the Copilot chat will be fully connected to all of your account data, tickets, devices, alerts, patches, users, everything. It means that you'll be able to ask Copilot questions about your own environment and get real and actionable answers in seconds. Like here, you can see that I'm asking the Copilot to show me all the devices that triggered CPU alerts. And just like that, it gives me a full list of endpoints that passed 90% usage in the last hour. Just one sentence and boom. Of course, it's important to know that your data is totally secured. Every account has its own schema, and the permissions are fully respected. A technician will only see what they're allowed to see, so no surprises here. And once you're in the flow, Copilot will even suggest what your next reply could be, which keeps the conversation smooth and always one step ahead. Now let's say that I want to investigate a bit more, maybe brainstorm a bit with the Copilot on what could be causing those CPU spikes. Since Copilot is already connected to Azure OpenAI with the latest model, now it's 4.0, you can chat with it in the same way you do with ChatGPT. Just ask anything. But it's even better because it knows your environment and your knowledge base, so the answers are way more relevant. In this example, you can see that the Copilot suggests possible causes, and I want to dig into one of them. I'll just ask the right question, and now it goes back to that device list, and it shows me which of them have pending updates. Smart, right? And even better, it's already suggested the next steps, like, hey, maybe you want to update all of them? So we just click the action button, and Copilot, get to work. Done. Problem solved. Bottom line, the AI doesn't just talk, it actually helps you get things done fast using your own data. And that's a game changer. Now that we've seen how Copilot will connect to your data, let's talk about how it will show up exactly when and where you need it. With Copilot, AI won't be something you will have to search for. It'll just be there, built into your workflow and ready to help you the moment you need it. So let's start with the tickets page. Even before you open a ticket, Copilot will already be working behind the scenes, and it will spot real-time trends and give you some smart suggestions. Down in the corner here, you will see that the Copilot suggests some helpful prompts, such as what problems keep recurring in recent tickets, or which users are waiting for a password reset. You click on one of them, and instantly the Copilot analyzes your ticket history and highlights the repeated issues. It also suggests what to do next. So you'll see quick actions such as merge into parent ticket or set alert thresholds. And just below that, you'll get smart follow-ups, such as which ticket topics have increased most recently. Just click and the Copilot digs in and show you the most noticeable trends. For example, we can see that the issues on password resets are up 64%, followed by printer access failures and VPN issues. Now let's zoom into a specific ticket. You'll open it up and Copilot is already there on the right side. It already prepared a summary. It ran relevant diagnostic on the related device, like speed test, and is ready with the recommendation for an action, like resetting the IP address. As you can see, this isn't just a chatbot, it's a real assistant that understands and works within the right context and knows how to help. And because tickets are often tied to devices, Copilot follow you there too. When you open the related device page, Copilot will adapt to the page context again. Now it will offer device-level actions like rebooting the machine or reviewing upgrade suggestions based on the tickets and alerts that this device had. And even on the main devices page, Copilot is also there to assist. As you can see here, it offers relevant prompts, such as which devices have the most open tickets, or find devices that have been offline the longest. It adjusts automatically based on what you're looking at, and it helps you spot issues or gaps, so there is no need to dig into reports or anything else. And finally, when you click on one of these suggestions, you land in the Insights panel. And here, the Copilot groups recommendation by category, such as hardware, security, scripts, and more. And each one comes with an immediate action that you can take. So you're seeing patterns you didn't know existed and fixing things before they even become a problem. You can see that the Copilot is not just smart, it's built into to be useful in real situation, because it blends into your day-to-day, learns from your own environment, and eventually it helps you take confident and proactive actions. This is what we mean when we say AI is everywhere. And that brings us to the third piece of the puzzle, visibility. Because once AI is helping you in the day-to-day, the next step is making sure that you can track and really measure its impact. So welcome to the new AI Center. This is where managers will be able to track impact and optimize their AI. You can see how much time it's saving for your team, how it's impacting resolution, and how Copilot is stepping in to help. You'll find insight into how your team is interacting with AI across the board, broken down by features and by trends. It gives you a clear picture of what's working, empowering you to make smarter, faster decisions and helping your team enhance their work with AI. Over on the right side, you will find the AI optimization bar, designed to help you get even more out of your AI. You'll be able to track how fully optimized your AI setup is and instantly spot where there is room to grow. It will also show the specific action that you can take. For example, syncing your Azure Active Directory so that the AI can take care of issues like resetting a password. The more you optimize, the better your AI performs, helping your team cut down on manual work and deliver more automated services to your users. And as you can see here, I already have some actionable insights waiting for me, so let's check those out. This is the Actionable Insights tab, the hub for all the AI-powered recommendations, just like the ones you saw earlier. The AI pulls data and finds patterns across your tickets, devices, alerts, and more, generating clear and practical suggestions that help you resolve things faster and uncover trends you might have missed. And this is just the beginning. We're always working to expanding this section with more and more powerful insights. So soon you'll start to see advanced recommendations like hardware suggestions, security issues, and more.
Okay, guys, so that's it for the Copilot. We're so excited for what's coming up because with all these tools working together, Copilot helps you work smarter and stay on top of what really matters. Thank you so much for being with us. Back to you, Tal.
Thank you, Erden. As the saying goes, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might. And honestly, that's the spirit behind everything we're building at Atera. I wish we had more time. I'd tell you about the next wave of IT automation upgrades, about how we're thinking on Notification Center, about the improvements we're bringing to patch management, and so much more that's bubbling just beneath the surface. But for now, we'll have to live a little mystery. Oh, and one last thing. We're working on something that I believe will be a game changer. AI-based patching. Not just smarter, revolutionary. That's all I can say for now, but trust me, you'll want to stay tuned. To everyone who joined us today, thank you. Enjoy the rest of this amazing day. Recharge, reconnect, and know that we're building the future of IT right alongside you. And of course, if it saves time, it's on the roadmap. See you all again next year.